Okay, so now we're going to talk about how to change mixed numbers, which is when you have a whole number and a fraction, into an improper fraction. Because sometimes you're going to need to do that when you're solving problems, okay? You would never have an answer end up as an improper fraction, but you need sometimes to use improper fractions to solve problems, which you'll find out about later. So, in this case, we have 2 wholes, and then we have 1/3 of a whole left over. So what would each of our wholes be broken into? Well, what do we look to find that out? We look to the denominator. So that means that each of these wholes is going to be divided into 3 equal pieces. So this one's going to be divided into 3 equal pieces, this one's going to be divided into 3 equal pieces, and this one's going to be divided into 3 equal pieces. And we have 2 of these wholes that are completely colored in. This is colored in. Oh, I wasn't supposed to do that yet. Sorry. We have 2 of the holes completely colored in. And then what do we have left over? We have 1 out of the 3 pieces, and the last one colored in. So I'm going to color that one in. So if I wanted to know what this was as an improper fraction, I could simply count how many thirds I have. My denominator would stay the same. Let me count how many thirds I have. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, 6/3, 7/3. Okay? So now I want to show you, because you don't want to draw it out every time, so now I want to show you how you can do that with computation. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take whatever the denominator is, and you multiply it by the whole number. What is 3 times 2? 6. And then you add the leftovers to that. The leftover, which is our 1 numerator. Oh, that's 7. 7 is now your numerator, and the denominator stays the same. Okay? Now I want you to get out your pencil and paper, and I want you to write down just the mixed number up top, 3 4/5. Don't do this one yet. Just this one. We're going to do it together. Does anybody remember what we do first? Well, hopefully you remember that we take our denominator and we multiply it by our whole number. So let's take a look. Our denominator is 5. We multiply it by 3 and we get 15. And then we have to add 4 more to it. That's leftover 4. 15 plus 4 is 19. So 19 is our new numerator. And what is our denominator? Remember, the denominator stays the same. So in this case, we get 19/5. Okay? You think you're ready to try one on your own? Remember, if you want to rewind the video, you can do that before trying one on your own. Here we go. Pause the video if you have not already. And write this one down. 5 2/5. Okay, so hopefully you've had a chance to do that. And we do the denominator 5 times the whole number 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Add those 2 for the numerator. And we get 27. 27 is our new numerator. And what is our denominator? It stays the same. It's 5. So our final answer is 27/5. So I hope this was helpful for you. Remember, you can rewind the video and practice again. The numbers may change, but the steps don't.